Hi everyone, I'm Januka and we're going to be unboxing a binder with Pokemon inside. Okay, so let's start. We're going to be starting with off the first page is this one. I really like this one. All these cards are very good, especially the Charmeleon, Rhyhorn. Yeah, so and then we also got this is the Charmander, and this is the Charmeleon, this is the Umbreon, this is the Geodude. And let's go to the second page now. So, this is the Oman Git, yeah. And then this is the Vulpix, and then this is the Celio. This is the Nidoking. And this is the Vigoroth. This is the Anorith. This is the Arbok. And this is the Fiddler. Okay, so let's go to the next one. And this is the Unknown. This is the Rayquaza. And this is the Shelgon. This is Ditto. This is Ekans. This is Oddish. And this is Horsia. Next we have Vibrava, a Kana, a Ligglypuff. A Ligglypuff. Then we have a Paris, and then we have a Thigh Explosion, and then we have Porygon. Then we have a Slowpoke, and then we have Mabel. Next we have the Poochyena, and this one is the Duskloop. This one is the Lantern. This is the Kingler, and this is the Arbok. This is the Magikarp, and this is the Drowsy. This is the Butterfree, the Exploud, the Vidali, the Machamp, the Rattata, the Metang, the Machoke, and the Sneasel. This is the Kuban, Doodoo, Gloom, Woobuffet, Togepi, Crawdaunt, and Lilip. Next, this is my favorite ones. Tropius, Subat, Bulbasaur, Sudowoodo, Larion, Machoke, Vulpix, and best of all, Charizard here. So this is my favorite one in the binder, the Charizard, 120 HP, which is a fire. And then Mightyena, Zangoose, Venomat, Zangoose, Ghastly, Dragonair, Mankey, Trapinch, and Rhydon. Kuban, Espeon, Wyond, Seeking, Trapinch, Spearow, Scatoo, and Seaviper. Next we have the Aeron, Machamp, Bagon, Gardevoir, Howdoom. This is a dog with like horns, and it's one of my favorite ones. And then we have Oddish, Percy, and Mudkip. And I like the Machamp because when you take it out, it shines in sun. So Also, we have the Togetic, the Skitty, the Sabelli, and the Crobat. Then we also have the Mantrick, the Mr. Mime, and then also we have Horsia, Pidgeduck, Shuppet, Kecleon, Crocona, Bellsprout, Livitor, Pochina, Ralts, and Wurmple. Next we have the Geodude, Claydol, Chinchou, and Cacturne. Also we have the Graveler, Hip, Ekans, and the Remoraid. Now we have the Skitty, Flygon X, Pichu, Cradily, Golbat, Ezreal, Dodri, Onyx. And guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna do part 2, so bye guys. Bye. See you on the next video.